us some Cynful Tuscan chicken tonight. Start out by mincing that garlic. We're going to crush it and then cut it and mince it. Then we're going to do the same with the sun-dried tomatoes. They're already julienne, but we're going to go ahead and cut them into smaller pieces. And then we're going to cut our chicken into bite-sized chunks. Adding some of that wonderful garlic-infused olive oil and some salt and pepper. Mix that all up. Get all the chicken coated, and then we're going to put it in a hot pan with a little bit more of that garlic infused oil. Nice hot pan. We're going to do a good sear here. Once we got all the paint gone, we're going to go ahead and remove it from the pan and set it aside. We're going to deglaze our pan with some white wine. Add some butter. Once the butter's melted, we're going to go ahead and add some garlic. Stir that around and then add some oregano. Stir that around. After that, get the sun-dried tomatoes in there. We're going to stir those around and we're going to cook them until they really start to wilt. Now, we've reduced a lot of that liquid in there. We're going to add our spinach. I'm going to add it in 2 sets, honestly. It fills up the pan, but it looks full, but look at it now. Add the cream. And stir it all in. So we're using Parmesan cheese to thicken our sauce today. Nice and thick, leaves a track on a spoon. Once you're there, add the chicken back in and let it cook for another 6 to 10 minutes. We're going to serve this over pasta. I have a link to the downloadable and printable PDF file in the description. But here's your recipe anyway. I want to thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe and have a blessed day.